Good evening everyone, and welcome to another session of folding some origamis. In today's session, we're gonna fold an origami called Yakko-san. So apparently this origami is quite an old origami. It's one of the early origamis actually. So Yakko-san means servant or helper. So you can imagine like this is wearing the kimono, this is the arm, this is the feet, this is the kimono you're wearing, this is the head. So it's like a little person like walking around. So the unique thing about this origami is it's unique for like the crane, but the crane is like you open and close. Here also it has open and close, but it's something, it goes from like this into like this. So that's what makes the square part at the edge, and it looks quite neat from the front. So yeah, we'll be folding this now. I actually re-recorded this because the previous video didn't have sound, so I have to unfold the build and do it again, but it's okay, I'll show you the steps anyway. So first off, we're gonna imagine this is like a flat clean paper. So first we're gonna do a triangle fold this way, and then another one this way. Okay, so you have a marking in the middle. So from there we're gonna take the corner and fold it down. Okay, we're gonna do it on all sides. Okay, since this is already pre-folded, so it's quite easy for me to fold, but you have to fold it properly for each part. So once you get like this, we're gonna flip it over, and we're gonna fold the new corner to the center. Alright, on all four sides. The simple thing about this origami is everything is you fold the corner and then you flip, and then you're gonna fold the corners again, the new pointed part. So like, okay, we're gonna fold, gonna fold, gonna fold, gonna fold, and then we're gonna turn it for one last time. So from here you can already see that it's almost complete. So I'm just gonna turn it this way, or I'm gonna turn it this way. Okay, the next part is where the unique fold comes in, so I'm gonna start with this side. So the thing is, you have to sort of like peel it, not say peel, you bend it a bit and pinch, so so the hole will come up and it will becomes this flat square. So you can imagine like from this diamond shape, I push this part out, it becomes a rectangle. They say this is a squash fold. So okay, we're gonna do the same for the bottom part. So just for me, I with even before the crease, I would just like, sorry, let me just zoom in. Okay, I would just like bend it a bit and then squeeze, so the fold will naturally open up, and then from here I can crimp the edges so it will stick there. Okay, so do this one again, just like pinch and fold, and once you've done that, here is your Yakko-san. So there you have it, Yakko-san with a unique fold for the side and bottom. And yeah, this is a very short video, so that's it for this session. The next session we are going to do a helmet, a samurai helmet origami. So that one I think a lot of people have seen it a few times, so I'm gonna hopefully that helmet will fit the color, but yeah, that will be in the next session. So thank you for watching, and have a good night and good day. Okay, bye.